This video tutorial will give you a brief overview on how to navigate the GBUS 1001 Next Gen Ag Success Seminar course site. As you can see, the middle section has your content. In this case, this is a page that has information on how to get started, as well as links to the various modules or instructional units within the course. On the right side is your to-do list. This gives you a list of all of the upcoming assignments or discussion forums or quizzes or exams that are due in the course, as well as their point value and their due date and the time that they are due. On the left side is your main navigation. The four navigation buttons you will be using most are Home, Syllabus, Modules, and Grades. So let's go ahead and get started. You are to begin with Module 0, Start Here Course Orientation. You can access this by either clicking this link or going to the Modules page on the side. I'm going to go ahead and click Modules. The modules will allow you to view all the modules within the course. As you can see, there are actually 5 modules because one is Module 0 in this course. You can go ahead and start by clicking the Welcome Start Here, or at any time, if you want to just view a certain page, you can click on that page or that assignment. So let's go ahead and go to Welcome Start Here. As you can see, there's information on how to get started. Once you have finished reviewing this page, you can go ahead and click this box that says Mark as Done so you know that you have done that. Then you can click either Next or you can go back to the Modules page. I'll go ahead and click Next, and it should take you to the next page within the module. If at any time you want to navigate back to the main modules page, just click this link on the left. And if at any time you want to navigate back to the home page, just click the home page. There are also links on the main page to your student community, which gives you a place to have discussions and converse with your fellow classmates. There is also a place for you to have live chats with your instructor, access the Next Gen Google platform that will be used in this course and program, as well as a link to various helpful resources that you may use. You can also click the Syllabus tab, which has the course syllabus that includes all of the policies, procedures, and information you need to know in order to be successful in this course, and all of the upcoming assignments and due dates. And lastly, you can go ahead and check your grades at any time by clicking this Grades button. I'm not going to click on it because I want to keep it private for the student. And that will give you information on your grades. So that is a brief overview of how to navigate this GBUS 1001 Next Gen Ag Success Seminar course. Thank you.